Are you tired of relying on vacation loans to fund your travel adventures? It may be time to consider a more strategic approach to managing your finances. Transitioning from vacation loans to gift cards can be a smart financial move that not only helps you budget effectively, but also allows for more flexibility and control over your spending. In this video, we will explore the drawbacks of relying on vacation loans, the benefits of using gift cards for budgeting, and the importance of financial planning and smart money management. Firstly, let's discuss the drawbacks of relying on vacation loans for travel expenses. Taking out loans for vacations can lead to high interest rates, additional fees, and long-term debt that can impact your financial well-being. It can also create a cycle of borrowing that becomes difficult to break free from, ultimately hindering your ability to achieve your financial goals. Are you considering taking out a vacation loan to fund your next travel adventure? It's important to understand the risks and implications associated with this financial decision. In this section, we will explore how vacation loans can lead to debt accumulation and financial stress, the interest rates and fees that come with these loans, and provide examples of situations where vacation loans can become problematic. Firstly, let's discuss how vacation loans can lead to debt accumulation and financial stress. Taking out a loan specifically for a vacation may seem like a convenient way to fund your trip, but it can quickly spiral into a cycle of debt. With high interest rates and fees, these loans can become a burden on your finances, leading to long-term financial stress and impacting your overall financial well-being. Additionally, the interest rates and fees associated with vacation loans can significantly increase the total cost of your trip. Unlike traditional loans with lower interest rates, vacation loans often come with higher fees, making it more expensive to borrow money for travel purposes. This can result in you paying much more than the original cost of your vacation, further adding to your financial burden. To illustrate, imagine taking out a vacation loan for a luxurious trip that you can't afford upfront. If unexpected expenses arise during your travels, or if you face financial difficulties upon your return, repaying the loan can become challenging and may lead to missed payments, additional fees, and a negative impact on your credit score. In conclusion, while vacation loans may seem like a quick solution to fund your travels, it's essential to consider the long-term implications and potential risks associated with borrowing money for non-essential expenses. Benefits of gift cards. Looking for a smarter alternative to vacation loans for funding your travel adventures? Gift cards can be a game changer when it comes to managing your travel finances effectively. In this section, we will highlight the advantages of using gift cards as an alternative to vacation loans, including how they can help with budgeting and controlling expenses, the flexibility and convenience they offer for travel purchases, and tips on maximizing the value of gift cards for various travel needs. First and foremost, gift cards can be a powerful tool for budgeting and controlling expenses while traveling. By preloading a specific amount onto a gift card, you can set a clear budget for your trip and avoid overspending. This disciplined approach can help you stay within your financial limits and prevent the accumulation of debt from excessive spending. Moreover, the flexibility and convenience of using gift cards for travel purchases make them a preferred choice for many travelers. Gift cards can be used for a wide range of expenses, including accommodations, dining, transportation, and activities, providing you with the freedom to tailor your spending to your preferences. Additionally, gift cards are easy to carry, secure, and widely accepted, making them a hassle-free payment option while on the go. To make the most of gift cards for your travel needs, consider purchasing them for specific vendors or services that you plan to use during your trip. Look for deals and discounts on gift cards to maximize their value and save money on your travel expenses. By strategically using gift cards, you can enjoy the benefits of budgeting control, flexibility, and convenience while exploring the world without the financial burden of vacation loans. Transitioning to gift cards. Ready to make the switch from relying on vacation loans to using gift cards for your travel expenses? Transitioning to gift cards can be a positive step towards improving your financial well-being and enjoying stress-free travel experiences. In this section, we will offer practical steps and strategies for transitioning from vacation loans to gift cards, including ways to gradually shift your financial habits, resources for finding gift card deals and discounts, and success stories of individuals who have successfully made the switch. To begin transitioning to gift cards for travel expenses, start by setting a budget for your next trip and allocating a portion of that budget to purchasing gift cards for key expenses such as accommodations, dining, and activities. Gradually reduce your reliance on loans by using gift cards for these expenses and track your spending to ensure you stay within your budget. When it comes to finding gift card deals and discounts, consider exploring online platforms, discount websites, and loyalty programs that offer discounted gift cards for popular travel destinations and services. By taking advantage of these resources, you can save money on your travel expenses and maximize the value of your gift cards. For inspiration and motivation, seek out success stories of individuals who have successfully transitioned from vacation loans to gift cards for their travel needs. Hearing about their experiences and learning from their strategies can provide valuable insights and encouragement as you make the switch yourself. By following these practical steps and strategies, you can smoothly transition from relying on vacation loans to using gift cards for your travel expenses, ultimately improving your financial health and enhancing your travel experiences. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your finances effectively while exploring the world with gift cards. Financial planning tips. Looking to enhance your travel experiences while staying financially savvy? Incorporating gift cards into your travel budgeting strategy can be a game changer. In this section, we will provide viewers with financial planning tips to support the use of gift cards for travel, including the importance of setting a travel budget and sticking to it, advice on saving money for future trips using gift cards, and recommendations for tools and apps to track expenses and manage gift card balances effectively. First and foremost, setting a travel budget is crucial for successful financial planning. Determine how much you can afford to spend on your trip and allocate specific amounts for different expenses such as accommodations, transportation, dining, and activities. By creating a detailed budget and sticking to it, you can avoid overspending and ensure that your travel expenses remain within your financial means. To save money for future trips using gift cards, consider setting up a dedicated savings account or fund where you can deposit money regularly to purchase gift cards for upcoming travel plans. By consistently contributing to this fund, you can build a travel budget over time and use gift cards to cover a significant portion of your expenses, ultimately reducing the need for loans or credit cards. Additionally, leverage tools and apps that can help you track your expenses and manage your gift card balances efficiently. Look for budgeting apps that allow you to input your gift card information, track your spending, and monitor your balances in real time. These tools can provide valuable insights into your financial habits and help you make informed decisions when using gift cards for travel. By following these financial planning tips and incorporating gift cards into your travel budgeting strategy, you can enjoy memorable travel experiences while maintaining financial stability and control. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing your travel finances with smart planning and strategic use of gift cards. As we wrap up our discussion on transitioning from vacation loans to gift cards for travel expenses, it's clear that adopting the gift card approach can be a game changer for your financial well-being and travel experiences. Let's recap the key points discussed and encourage you to consider integrating gift cards into your travel budgeting strategy. By choosing gift cards over vacation loans, you can enjoy a range of benefits, including better budgeting control, reduced financial stress, and enhanced flexibility in managing your travel expenses. Gift cards offer a disciplined approach to spending, allowing you to set clear budgets, avoid debt accumulation, and make informed financial decisions while exploring the world. We encourage you to prioritize your financial health and practice responsible spending habits when planning your travels. By making conscious choices and leveraging tools like gift cards, you can achieve your travel goals without compromising your financial stability. Take action today by incorporating gift cards into your travel budgeting strategy and exploring ways to optimize your financial management. Consider Viator to help plan your next trip. My affiliate link is in the description. Speaking of an affiliate link, here's Matt to share how you can become a content creator like me.
If you give me just 15 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited video ideas for YouTube using an AI tool. So if we jump onto the tool right here and we click on video ideas, we can put in any channel handle, for example, Mr. Beast, and then click generate. And boom, we just got a great video idea for that channel. We can click generate again, and we just got another great idea. The tool is called TubeMagic, and it will also help you write well-optimized scripts, generate titles, tags, and descriptions, and help you with everything that goes into optimizing a YouTube channel with AI tools. And all of these successful YouTubers right here are using TubeMagic as their secret tool for growing on YouTube. And I'd love to invite you to get access to TubeMagic with a special deal going on right now. Just click anywhere on this ad and you can sign up with our special early bird deal before we do eventually raise the price. We've initially launched this with a small group of big YouTubers. We've dialed the tools in, connecting with the YouTube API and other content generation tools, and we've created the best suite of AI tools for growing on YouTube that exists. My name is Matt Parr, by the way, and I run the Make Money Matt channel on YouTube, and I also run a bunch of faceless channels that have helped me get play buttons just like these. And I'm using TubeMagic to help speed up the process with running all of my different channels and cut down on freelancer costs. Imagine, for example, that you didn't have to hire a scriptwriter. You didn't have to spend hours upon hours writing your own scripts, optimizing your videos, and everything that goes into running a YouTube channel. And now with TubeMagic, that's all possible. It will literally do it all for you. Feel free to click on this ad, check it out. I can't wait to see you inside. You're going to absolutely love it, and you will wonder what you ever did without it. Now, TubeMagic does cost a monthly subscription to use, but think about it like this. If this saved you from hiring someone to write a script or spending hours upon hours writing your own scripts, and if you compare this against optimizing your own videos and spending hours of your time or hiring people to manage your channels for you, this will save you thousands upon thousands of dollars, and we only charge a low monthly fee. So if you want to get started with this early bird special, now is the best time to get in on the ground floor of TubeMagic, and now is the best time to get started using the best suite of AI tools out there. I can't wait to see you inside. Nice to meet you if this is our first time meeting, and hopefully I'll see you there.
Share this video with others who may benefit from these insights, and stay tuned for more financial tips and strategies on our channel to empower you on your journey toward financial freedom and travel. Thank you for joining us, and remember, smart financial planning can pave the way for unforgettable travel experiences. Safe travels and happy budgeting.